Welcome to Closet Care. In this episode, I'll show you how to clean, customize, and even give new life to your sneakers with easy step-by-step methods that anyone can follow. My name is Maxplore, and sneakers are a passion of mine. And with the right care, they can last for years. Let's get started. So to clean your shoes, you don't need any expensive products at all. Simple tools you already have at home work perfectly. First step is to unlace the sneakers to have a better access to the tongue area, as well as the inside of the shoe, and of course, to clean the laces afterwards. We are adding some towels to get back the shape while cleaning. I would recommend starting to work on the upper with a magic eraser, but if you don't have any, a simple sponge works perfectly. You just need a little bit of the cleaning solution and start working on the upper of the sneakers with rotating movements. We are continuing with our brush to work on the soles. Make sure to wipe off all extra soap that's on the shoe, because it might leave some stains on it. Quick check this part here that we cleaned and compare it with this one that's still dirty, and you clearly see the difference. After cleaning, it's time for air drying. No direct heat because it can change the shape and damage the glue. Now we continue with the final protection. This invisible spray keeps away dirt and stains and also keeps your shoes looking fresh. Ready for a bigger change? Let's dye these sneakers for a bold new look. Before we start, make sure to protect your workspace and your hands with gloves to make sure these stains don't get anywhere. The more dye you add, the more intense the color will get. Make sure to add some weight to the shoes so they stay below. Now these have to sit for around 2 or 3 hours, and afterwards we are taking them out, rinse them with water, and we are ready to go. A lace swap is the easiest and a very popular way to upgrade your look. Go bold, go bright, or even keep it classic, like these. If you add some baking powder inside the sneaker after cleaning and once they're fully dry, it absorbs moisture and also gets rid of the smells. So simply put it in there, let it sit for a night, slap it out afterwards, and you're ready to go. Have fun. See you soon.